hi, buddy. Damn, dog. Where are we going today? That goes down today. That goes down today. Hell yeah. Got the what, Josh? Got the what? Bro, show the pumpkin. Ah. Look at that beautiful sunset. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. En la troca. En la troca. Yo, look at that shit, Josh.
Yeah, nigga, we get pulled over, we're cooking.
Josh.
You'd be like, let me look
Josh,
at all this stuff.
if we get pulled over, he's cooked.
Oh, we're screwed.
No.
No.
The cop is screwed.
No.
Hell yeah.
I'm not going to jail.
Boys,
I don't
where are we
think
going today?
To Henry's, boy.
We're gonna go shoot who, Josh?
Yo, chill.
Here. What are we doing today? Antonio, what are we gonna do today?
Birthday boy. We're gonna
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! What? How would you pull out your wallet if a cop stopped you right now?
like this.
Officer.
Officer, hold on. I'm just reaching for my wallet.
Oh, I just read what it says.
Yeah. See.
Jason, you gonna blow up.
Don't drop yourself. I'm diving them up my ICU fall.
Anthony, do you have your speed reloader?
Yeah.
Javier.
Yeah, can you pass me that real quick behind you, my bud? Let me see if this fits.
Oh shit.
Yeah, be careful with the.
Hold on. Like this.
Those shells are fucking flying right behind you somehow.
There's one lens.
There you
Oh,
go.
take it out.
Squeeze,
Oh, wait.
down,
There we go.
bullet, up and up. Like that.
Jason,
Until you.
let me show you your shit. I'm firing the hollow points real quick. You, you see that?
Bro, get the beam! Show us, make us proud, Carlos, make us proud.
Hold up. Alright.
Oh, hell no, bro's wrong hand.
I can't because I can't look to my right.
That's why you lean it more.
Josh, I'm gonna need your pumpkin.
Go ahead.
Sure?
Go ahead.
Hell yeah, son. He's still standing, man.
Ow. Ow.
Jason.
Oh, fucking love this shit.
Or Anthony.
Just in case, always rack.
There. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Show him the gun, Josh. Show the gun. Show the fit.
Woo! Woo!
This way. 7, pretty sure. 6. Search it down. Get down, Mr. President.
Oh yeah.
None of that fucking. Woo!
This is my new carry gun. I gotta break it in, make sure that shit works.
I want to use a P3 in a bit because I gotta make sure that shit still works too.
Please tell me the spring that I bought fixed my fucking gun. Remember how you had to hit in the back? I bought
You bought a new spring for it?
Oops, sorry.
Josh,
Yeah.
can I steal some 9mm from you?
Get.
Where is it?
Right there. I have 9 right here.
That's 9?
Yeah.
Alright, put it in, lock it back.
Wait.
Oh!
What happened? Josh, you gotta shoot the Ronin, bro. Load up one of these and shoot the Ronin. You heard?
Yeah.
I should have brought more 9mm. If I knew he was gonna bring a Ronin, I would have bought like.
I didn't know.
Nigga, I didn't know either. I would have bought so much more 9mm, bro. Because we're running through it already.
You already used the 2 in the back?
Huh? No. That hasn't been used. Josh, you're shooting this shit too, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Look.
And if I have to, nigga, I'll pay for ammo, nigga. 'Cause
I thought it was in the kick more. Nah, it's nice. It's because it's front heavy.
It's a heavy gun. If it was a lighter plastic,
Boom. How you like that one? That was a good one? Yes, sir. That won 2 World Wars, big boy.
Very nice, Captain.
Nigga said 1, 2 World Wars.
Yes, sir. I mean, that's a
was there
Spanish.
for
That's
2 World
a
Wars.
Spanish 1911.
God damn.
it was there for 2
I do
hours.
want to shoot this. What was the 22? Is being used right now?
What happened? 22. Yeah, you shoot my 22.
Things like move forward, so we're in front of you.
yeah, just one is fine.
This is the right way, right?
Yeah, forward, just like that.
Making sure.
Ready? Hit it.
Right now, rack.
There, I loaded it.
Alright. You see that? Okay, so it's on safe, right?
Yeah.
So I think you press it.
I love this gun.
Rack it, and keep your hand tight and don't rapid fire because I don't want your hand slipping.
Let's go for the pumpkin. All right. So obviously, when you shoot it,
Hold it down like that.
yeah, you're gonna load it through here.
Okay. You go ahead and shoot the first one. With the silver backwards, okay? Stay right where you are.
Hold up.
Yeah, you're good right there.
Safety has to come off, Jason, before racking. What happened? Safety has to come off first. No, before racking.
You load it back, so
Okay.
you can load in. It's in already.
All right.
I'm hip firing right now.
I know.
Don't hit that rock. Be careful because ricochet. We're too close.
I think you should move the pumpkin.
Hold up.
Woo, Josh. All
I
right.
haven't shot it in a while.
All right, let me try.
Don't aim for that rock with the shotgun.
All right.
Ricochet.
Bet. I won't. Come here, dog. I want to try it. You try to shoot it. No, let me load it. Let me load it. I want to load it and everything.
All right. I have 2.
That's fine.
Try 2. Put it into your shoulder and lean into it.
All right.
It's gonna. I'll hold your shoulder back.
It's going to be like spotting
Safety's
at the gym.
off. Safety spot off. Hold it tight though.
Fuck.
No. Don't use that one. Throw it away.
Just let it dry out. I
Here.
got another one.
Alright, come on. I was gonna say hands.
You gonna shoot my 20?
Silver back, right?
Let me see, let me see, let me see. Yes. No, no, no. Put it into here.
In here?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, hold up.
And now,
Hold up. Let me see.
it holds only one, right?
You can put one and then one in the chamber. That's one.
So it shoots two.
That's two. You have more?
No, I don't have any more of that.
Grab me right there.
It holds three?
It
Total?
holds 5 and one in the chamber.
Oh, all right.
There's 6 more in this. You heard, Jason?
Let me load it. Let me load it, please. Come on, dog. I want to learn. Push it forward.
Yeah, push it into there at the bottom one.
It hasn't been loaded.
Yeah. Push it in. There you go. You're good.
All right.
No,
I
no,
see
up
it.
there, right there.
Yeah, I see it. All right, let's go.
Push it. No, no, no. Push it in. There you go. One
Alright,
more.
good.
One more.
One more. Just one more, too.
One more. And then push it in there. No?
No, that's
Okay.
it.
That's it.
No, I think that's it. I'm going to force it.
Done.
Huh?
So then now, give me. And then one in the chamber. Okay. So now, oh,
Let me rack it. I want to rack it.
you're just gonna go move
Yeah.
it forward.
And then rack it. Rack it forward and back, right?
Yeah. Don't shoot it quick.
I'm
You have
not.
to rack it and make sure it goes out.
And then back, right?
Yeah. Okay.
It just shoots now?
Yes. Go aim it forward into your shoulder, your strongest shoulder. Make sure
Not the left, not the right.
make sure it goes into the meatiest part, and shoot straight. Straight and hold it. Straight. Let me know. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Cock it back. Cock it
Fuck
back.
me.
Cock it back. There you go. Come on. There you go. Cock
Oh.
it back.
Cock it.
There you go, nigga. Come on.
Cock it.
There you go, Carlos.
Make it your bitch, big bro.
That's it.
Ooh, thank God it's out. Because fuck me, that hurt. Oh my God.
Ruin you, big bro.
I told you, it packs
Oh,
a fucking
shit.
punch.
Fuck me.
Go crazy.
Go stupid. Out already.
Hold on, make sure, check.
No, I'm switching the.
Check the chamber though.
Try not to shoot the target though, because I think the wood's breaking.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't. Shotgun,
I needed
no
this.
more target. Wood is breaking.
Alright.
Go ahead.
There.
Yeah, try not to shoot the target. The wood's breaking.
I'll just. I won't try. I'll just do it. Here and then.
Oh, yeah, how do I load it?
So you can just load here.
You about to start shooting? All right, hell yeah. I'll record you.
Which is the better angle? Over there or over there?
Wherever. I'm going to be moving it, so you're good. Sorry.
Let me go with him.
Yeah, right there. Right there is fine.
Oh shit!
So,
Alright, well I reached the point where I don't even care anymore.
Yeah, no,
shouldn't have.
go crazy.
That's why I look at the other shotgun, man.
Okay.
I got a tendency on it.
Where did you sit for the camera? You got a 9 I can shoot?
Whoa, that's too close.
Huh?
Nothing, just go shoot.
Jason,
Yo,
this got stuck right there.
got stuck right there. Give me 1 second. 1 second.
Whoa!
What happened?
Put your thumb.
Huh? I had it right here, like this.
Yeah, I'm saying like. You see,
Oh, okay,
you,
okay,
you
okay,
had
okay,
your
okay.
thumb on
Got
the
you, got you.
slide, so that's why I got stuck.
You're gonna shoot it?
Just remember, safety's
Oh, yeah.
off.
You can put one more there.
Yeah, you're being.
There you go. All right, remember.
Move a little
when
bit to
you
the
shoot,
right, so I can record you.
It's already racked.
No, to the right. You're right.
Yeah, so you're ready. You're ready to go.
There we go. You're good.
You got it, Javier. You got it.
Get this nigga.
Woo!
Should be one more after that.
No, I don't see any.
Put it up.
Rack
Check
forward.
again. Not,
Just in
not
case.
fire. Yeah.
Pull it
Rack
back,
it
just
again
in
and then
case.
do it. All right,
Yeah, you're
just to
out.
make sure. Yeah.
Oh, I want to see this shit for Anthony's.
Hold on.
I'm
not
about to
trying
watch
it
him right
yet.
now.
I'm not trying it yet.
That's 30 bullets. 5.56.
This is mine. No,
Oh, that's
okay.
yours? Oh, okay,
I'm just
okay.
making sure I didn't bring my hollow tips.
Oh, okay. You shoot yours first. You're being recorded.
Right now it's at semi-auto. Actually, what? Hold on.
Oh my god! Why is it out
Shut up.
shit talk right now.
Headphones are dope as fuck, and they don't hurt. Too.
The Kage
don't
meeting,
hurt.
Get like
Southern
the-
meeting.
Exactly, bro. So we gotta.
They don't hurt though.
No, I'm saying cool getting cups. You can replace it and put those on, and you can
I like that shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that shit's hard. That shit's hard. No homo, my bad. I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that shit. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Don't have. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah. Oh, I'm a After a nice day of shooting, you know we have to come to BK. Jason, what are we gonna eat?
I'm gonna have a Bacon King.
You know what? That sounds good to me. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Josh, what are you getting?
Yeah, I'm using the app, bro.
What are you getting, sire?
Everything.